M4 for me, yeah? Find M4. When we're spraying matte clear coats, the process to spray the matte clear, we want to make sure we check it with our matte clear fan deck first to find the correct gloss level. Sometimes when you select a matte formulation on iCRIS, it will give you a suggestion of what gloss level to choose. So once we've found the correct gloss level, you need to make sure you do your own spray out. Temperature, humidity, film thickness, the actual tone or color of the pigment can and will affect the overall gloss level of the finish. So it's really important that when you're in a shop that the same person who's going to paint that car does a spray out with the same spray equipment in the same facility to ensure that there's going to be the same gloss level as an end result. Okay? So once we've got it all mixed, ready to go, the application process for matte clear. The first coat is a light mist coat first, and we allow that to set up for around about 5 minutes. Once that's set up, we then apply one nice medium wet coat and allow that to completely flash off for around about 10 to 15 minutes. Once that's flashed off, we then apply the second coat, another nice medium wet coat. Once that final coat is finished, we need to let that flash off for around about 30 to 40 minutes before we bake. Or you can leave it overnight to cure, but you don't want to bake a matte clear coat straight away. You must let it flash off for at least 30 to 40 minutes or air cure overnight. The gun setups are exactly the same as normal clear coat. Yeah, with the GTI Pro, it's a TE20 1.3. With the DV1, we use a 1.2 C2. Still around about that 1.8 to 2 bar air pressure.